Hello everyone, my name is Ahmed Mustafa and I will be explaining to you how to solve this lab in the Web Security Academy SQL injection vulnerability in where clause allowing retrieval of hidden data. So SQL injection is type of vulnerability that we can inject some commands into it, so we can alter the query, so the attacker can alter the query so it can lead to high severity attacks. So here this lab contains an SQL injection vulnerability in the product category filter. Here the vulnerability is in the product category filter. When user selects a category, the application carries out a SQL query like the following. So this is an example of the SQL query and the application. We see select all from products where category equal gifts. So this is the where clause and it's based on the category filter. It's based on the category product here, and we have this is a condition. So this released equal 1. So it should show, for example, here all the gifts product and the released products of those gifts. So it should be gift and it should be released. So these are two conditions. So to solve this lab, perform SQL injection attack that causes the application to display details of all products in any category, both released and unreleased. So if you want to make sure that this website or web application is vulnerable to SQL injection, we should execute the SQL injection attack to display the details of all products, the released one and the unreleased one. So let's access the lab, and you have to make sure that you open Purp Suite. So it's working, the intercept is off for now. We're gonna make it on shortly. So let's try to display food and drink filter here. We're using this filter, the food and drink filter. You'll see this is the products of the food and drink filter, all the three products. So these products are what? They are released. But what if we can just alter the query so we can retrieve more information or more data? So there is hidden data. The hidden data are the unreleased products. So here if we just go to Purp Suite and intercept is on, and let's try again, click on the food and drink filter, it will go to Purp Suite, and we see this is the query and this is the request here, the get request. So the query product equal this, the food drink. So we can alter this query by doing this. See this command carefully. We can add this, or when equal 1 hyphen hyphen. So what we have written here is just like we are saying that if the first condition is true and the second, we all know that the AND condition, the two conditions should be true and true. So this one is true and this one equal 1 is also true. So this will return true and the query will be executed correctly. And these two hyphens means that comment everything after the query. After these hyphens it will be commented, so it will be ignored and nothing will happen. If you remember that the product should be released, so this hyphens is for that. So we will not care about any other condition after two hyphens. So this will be executed. So let's try to forward this and go to our application. It's still loading. Yeah, so we have solved this lab because you see we have more products now and more details. We only had 3 products before, Now we have all the products, the released and the unreleased one. So this is how you solve the lab. I hope you enjoyed the video, and see you in the next lab.